Hello children, I'm going to explain you the worksheet in that word problems are given. How to solve these word problems. So children, take out your page number 74 which is just below 4.15. So let's first read the question. A primary school has 679 students. Okay, children? 325 of them are boys and rest are girls. How many girls are there in the school? Children, in this question, there are in the primary school there are total number of students are 679. Out of them 325 are boys. Now you have to find that how many girls are there in that school. So what you will do children? You have to just subtract the total number minus number of boys. But this is word problems children. In the word problem you need to write the statements. Let's see what are statements. In statements, first of all write solution. Okay children? Then write total number of students. NO is the short form of number. Total number of students, then put equal to sign. Then in the next line, write number of boys. Now, number of boys, then put the equal to sign just below this one. Put it here. Then write number of students. Total number of students are how much it is? 679. Put here ones, tens, 100. Then how many number of boys are there? 325. Clear children? You have to subtract these two numbers. Children, remember you have to write these 3-digit numbers just under ones column. You write this digit, then tens column, then 100 columns. Write one below the other. Then children, you have to draw one straight line like this. Clear? Then what you have to find? Number of girls. Then put the equal to sign one below the other. Then subtract. 9 minus 5 is 4. 7 minus 2 is 5. 6 minus 3 is 3. So your final answer is 354. Similarly, write the answer 354 girls. Children, when you all are solving the word problems in the textbook, you people are doing only this much. But whenever in the exam or in the copy, you need to write these statements. It is very important children, and at last you need to write the final answer. Clear children? Now the next question number 2. A bag had 234 coins, out of which 139 coins were taken out and distributed. How many coins were left in the bag? So children, there is one bag and in that bag 234 coins are there. Out of that 234 coins, 139 coins were distributed. Now you have to tell that how many coins are left in the bag. So what you have to do? You have to subtract these coins with the total number. So let's do. First of all, you have to write the solution. Okay, then you have to write total number of coins. Then put equal to sign. Then what is the next line? Coins, number of coins distributed. Coins distributed. Put the equal to sign here. Okay, just below this one. Then, how many in total number of coins are there, children? Look at the question. 234. And how many coins distributed? 139. First of all, put here ones, tens, 100. It is very important to put it here, okay? Then put one straight line here and put the minus sign. Now 4 minus 9. It is not possible because 4 is small. So it will take one carryover from here. It will become 14 and this 3 will become 2. Okay, this will become 2. Now 14 minus 9. 14 minus 9. What will come answer? 5. And here is 2 minus 3. 2 minus 3 is not possible. So this 2 will take one carryover from this one. So it will become 12. And this will become 1. 2 times we are taking carryover, okay? 12 minus 3 is 9, okay? And 1 minus 1 is 0. Now children, I forgot to tell you one thing. What we have to find in this question? Coins left. How many coins are left? So we need to write it here. Number of coins left. Okay, and put it here equal to. So you got answer 095. So your final answer is 95 coins left. Clear, children? I hope you have understood how to solve the word problems. Okay, goodbye.